Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by gathering only the essentials, element names, types, and one clear default value for each. Once done, pick the file format that fits your toolchain, YAML for readability, JSON for tooling. Make sure to note constraints like min/max and required flags. Then create a minimal example entry for one element to validate parsing. This first actionable step reduces iterations. You will catch schema mismatches early and avoid rework later. You now structure elements into logical groups so configuration maps to application modules. Next, write validation rules, rejects for formats, numeric ranges, and enum lists to limit options. Once grouped, declare dependencies and conditional defaults. For example, enable feature X only if flag Y is true. Make sure to include comments or a brief docstring explaining each section. This reduces runtime surprises and makes automated validations. You finish by validating the full configuration against the schema and loading it into a development build. Then run 2 test cases, a minimal configuration and a full edge case configuration to exercise defaults and conditionals. Once passing, tag the file with a version and changelog entry. If things go wrong, check the validator error line first. It usually points to a type mismatch or missing required field. Make a quick rollback plan before deploying changes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.